Anycubic Kobra S1 printing PET-G. We have 22 minutes left. It is 70% done. What I want to show you is inside temperature. The printer is well warmed up. We have a bed temperature set to 80 degrees and the nozzle temperature is 240. Okay, from the distance we see that on the top where warm air is going up we have 32 degrees, and somewhere in the middle of the printer we are on 22 and bottom is 18 degrees. Unbalanced temperature. This printer doesn't have an internal heater. When we open the chamber it is a roller coaster. On the edge we have 65 degrees, around the same on the right edge, on the bottom around 70 degrees, 66. On the middle we have 79, which is the correct set temperature. But as we go more from the middle, logically the temperature drops to around the difference is 10 degrees across the bed. Hopefully this video gonna help you understand the bed temperature difference depending of where your print is. The warping can occur especially in heat sensitive filaments, right, like ABS and PET-G, but it is not really good when there is this much temperature difference from the middle where heater is, and logically that's the correct spot where the heat is well transferred. But the further we go from the middle we have the less temperature, which can especially in this sensitive printer which have warped beds, nozzle which is bending unsupported backside of the bed. I'm gonna cover that in my next video. Consider subscribing. See ya.